Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking all about why I wasn't accepted to the YouTube monetization program. The reason why I got refused is because of reuse content, which I'm technically doing. First of all, I was playing something that I didn't know that was completely reused. If you guys didn't know, I really got surprised when Honey, the browser extension, was actually taking out everyone's vouchers and putting their own. It was a big scandal for a while, and I thought that because Markiplier, the YouTuber that I really like, commented on it, that I tried to post it and gain views because he is a very famous guy. That's one of my mistake, is that I edited it, make it better because his streams are a little bit dark, cut it to make it more understandable without his grunts and other ums and sounds. That was the plan for me, is to make a video about Honey and Markiplier. I didn't know that it's supposed to be called as reused content. So unfortunately, that was one of my mistakes. The second mistake is that I re-uploaded it. The reason why I re-uploaded it is because I thought it was taken down. It was reinstated. I think that's the correct answer, but it got reinstated, and unfortunately I got double whammy on Markiplier because when I enrolled for the YouTube partner program, there was two videos of my video of Markiplier around when they checked and reviewed my channel. So that was another one that you need to be wary with, is that you don't post content. Even though I edited it, I made it more appealing with color grading and such, it's really a no for YouTube. The third reason why is because of I think it's because of my YouTube Korean drama edits. I don't know if it's really it or because of the Markiplier one, but I'm gonna be testing it out again. I'm gonna be reapplying this February if they will allow my edits to go through, or is it not accepted as well. If you guys didn't know, I have YouTube Shorts. I've been posting K edits of Squid Game for a while, and I really like editing them and making them funny and hilarious, or making it really weird. I do use sometimes AI to make it more surprising, but most of the time it's just edits. I think it could be a reason why. I'm not sure yet. I think that it should be not considered as such, as because I heavily edited. I will soon find out when I reapply moving forward. Because I was refused to be accepted in the YouTube partner program, is I will gonna be posting more original content. I'm struggling right now with posting unboxings. They are quite expensive, so I'm gonna be shifting it a little bit more doable content for small creators like me, where it's not gonna be too expensive to make. What are the things that I need to fix? So I deleted all of my Markiplier videos, the two of them. I also changed my YouTube edits to make it more appealing but edited. I'm not sure yet though if they will accept it. This is my plan to be reinstated in YouTube partner program. So first of all is I'm going to be posting more often with my face, so it's original content. I will be making more content. I hope that I can do the daily videos again, but right now at my work schedule I cannot do that frequently. But that's one thing that you need to revise. If you guys have been unaccepted by YouTube partner program, then I suggest you delete, reuse, and reposted content. It will demoralize you guys. I feel devastated because the Markiplier Honey videos are really good performing. People really like it because I brought it to a spotlight. But again, it's not very good for YouTube if you want to make your channel monetizable. I'm gonna be posting more reapply accepted. There's gonna be a lot of changes in this channel that I'm hoping that in February 26 or 27, I will be reinstated stated in the YouTube partner program. This is gonna be my first YouTube test out, hoping that it's gonna be good. If not, then I will let you guys know. But I'm gonna be definitely working harder to get monetized because that's my goal for this year is to be monetized. I'm very thankful for my community. They really support my shorts. Not much on the long form content. I completely understand it. I'm a very new YouTuber and I'm not also a very good speaker. Those are the reasons why people don't watch long form content more. It's a little bit more boring maybe, or maybe my angles are terrible. But then again, I'm gonna be changing it up to make it more engaging and more likable. So the final message that I'm gonna be giving to you, if you are having trouble as well, is make it more transformative. If you are reposting content or making like me where it's more edits, I'm not sure yet if it's gonna be accepted though. We'll see soon. One thing that I know that works is that you make it more unique by making you the narrator. So example, if you're gonna be making animal shorts, you're gonna be talking a lot and explaining to the viewers what's gonna be happening to that puppy or whatever video you are making. That makes it transformative, and that's one of the reasons why some of the channels that are making shorts are making a buck. They make their own narrations, they make their own intros to make it more appealing, but they use other people's content. They just stitch it up to make it more understandable and appealing. That's my final message, is you guys shouldn't give up when you receive this letter. A little drawback for my progress, but I'm planning to work hard. My goal is to monetize on this channel. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and see you all next time.